Super pretty. Okay, now, by the way, my name is Ate Christine, together Ate Pia. Your party rules and parties is on for today. And we will make sure here at McDonald's Robinson's Magnolia, you will experience a party fun na hindi po malilimutan. Okay, before we start, may I request everyone to please all stand up to sing a happy birthday song to Kylie. And sing. Okay, one more time.
Let, pangitiin mo. Pangitiin mo. Kaya sabi ko na.